let's look at this example. This is saying that in the set of A union B, we have 31. But in A intersect B, we have 2, and in the set of B, we have 10. So let's think about a Venn diagram when we're talking about these. So we have two overlapping things. We have A here and we have B here. Always start with the centermost item. The center is going to be that A intersect B. And so the number of A intersect B is going to be a 2. That is this portion right here. Okay? So we know that 2 is right here. Now, this tells us that we have 10 in B. Now that 10 is all of this. So what is left here is going to be a 10 minus 2. So we have a total of 8 in here. Now this tells us that we have a total of 31. I'm sorry, not 81, 31 in both circles combined. So this plus whatever number here equals 31. So I'm going to take 31 minus the 2 minus the 8, and I will get the number that is in here, and that number will be 23. Sorry, that number should be 21. Okay. Now, we want to find the number in A. Now, A, remember, is this entire circle here. So A is going to be the 21 plus the 2, which will give us a total of 23. When you're looking at these, you always have to start with that innermost, and you have to remember that those innermost are included in the other total amounts for the circles. Now let's look at the next one. Right here, again, we're going to have two circles. We're going to have an A and a B. So we have A and we have B. Again, we're going to start with that innermost, the intersection, A intersect B. And that's going to be an 8. Now, these two tell me that each one of these circles contains a total of 14. So this circle contains 14, and this circle contains a total of 14. That does not mean that this number right here is 14 and this number right here is 14. What that's telling me is I need to take 14 minus the 8 that I already have in there, which will leave me with 6. And I take 14 minus the 8 that I already have in here, which is 6. Because we have to subtract out, this is telling me how many are in this entire circle of A. So I already have 8 of them in there. Now, when I want to know how many are in A union B, that means how many total are in either one of these circles put together. So that's going to be 6 plus 8 plus a 6, which will give me a total of 20. So when you're looking at these, this right here means everything added up in that circle. And this is in that little bitty part where they overlap. And this is in all the circles together. Okay?